Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to the series of grammar and error correction. Well, we are in the part 4 right now. Previously, I have discussed part 3 where I have discussed 15 important rules. If you have not watched, please go back and watch 15 different rules which are very important and basic rules. Well, in today's session, I will discuss 5 important rules from question number 16 to question number 20. Well, so without delay, we'll start directly. This is the first question that Rahul is more taller than his brother. Very important to remember. When you see this type of questions, just you mark taller is the comparative degree itself. So we cannot use more here because we know that there are two types of comparison system in English. Here, beautiful is the word. There are two syllables, beauty, another one is full. If we find two syllables, our pattern of comparative and superlative degree must be more beautiful and most beautiful. But in the second system, long, one syllable, so our pattern of uh, comparative and superlative degree must be longer and longest. I want to say if it is two syllables, more, most must be used before it. If it is one syllable like long, so er, longer, st, longest will be used. So more and longer double comparatives must be avoided. Here is the question. Rahul is taller than his brother. This must be right answer, not more taller. So more is one comparative, taller is another comparative. We cannot use double comparatives in a sentence. So the correct answer will be Rahul is taller than his brother. Well, I hope you understand. This is the question number 17. Nandini is junior than her sister. Very important rule. Just I cannot spend time over here. I will go back to the rule first of all. The words like senior, junior, inferior, superior, prior, prefer, measure, minor. If you find this type of words, mean 8 words, do remember use to instead of than. Do remember these words. Well, here junior word is there. The reason why instead of than we must use to. So the correct answer will be Nandini is junior to her sister, not than her sister. I hope you understand, and I expect all of you to write these 8 words so that in the further you can easily correct the error. All right, this is the question number 18. I have given two questions for your convenience, for your benefits. The teacher and poet are present in a meeting. In the second question, the teacher and the poet is present in a meeting. Try to find which sentence is right. Do remember, this is a very interesting rule. The teacher and poet. Do remember here the teacher and poet. There is no definite article the. Focus over here. The teacher is here, the poet is here. I mean, the word definite article the is used once in the sentence number 1, twice in the sentence number 2. So, what exactly it will result? Do remember the teacher and poet. Here, person is one. There is one person only who is a teacher and who is a poet. The same person is a teacher, the same person is a poet. Whereas in the second question, the teacher means a separate person, the poet means another one person. So there are two persons included in the second sentence. So the first sentence is singular. It must be is instead of are. And the second sentence, there are two persons. The reason why this is cannot be used, we can use are instead of is. So we will move forward to the rules over here. This is the rule. The teacher and poet, one person is there because of one definite article, the once used. The teacher and the poet, there are two definite articles, two person are involved. The reason why the sentence will be in plural. So I hope you understand the rule number 18. Do focus on the definite article. If it is one person. If it is two, then two persons are involved. All right. So this is question number 19. Neither of the boys are not busy. Very, very common and frequent use of the word neither. Here are the rules of neither. Do remember, when you find neither of, after neither of, go ahead and use plural character. Neither of the boys, neither of the girls, neither of the books, just like that. And singular verb it will carry. Neither of the boys is present, not are present. So the second rule is double negative must not be used. Double negative means neither is a negative word itself. So we cannot use not, none after neither. So here is the question. Neither of the boys is busy. We cannot use not because neither is a negative word. We cannot use are because neither of plus plural character, it will take a singular verb as the rule number 1 says over here. All right. Thank you very much. I hope you understand. We'll move forward to the last question. No sooner the class teacher entered when everyone stood up to greet him. I'm repeating the question once again. No sooner the class teacher entered when everyone stood up to greet him. Very, very important rule. If you know the rule of no sooner, then definitely you can find the answer. If you do not know the rule of no sooner, then you cannot answer it. So what is the rule of no sooner we'll find? No sooner. The correlative word of no sooner is than, but here it has used when. Remember. The second rule, no double negatives. Here, the double negative means we don't have any double negatives. It's fine. No sooner plus auxiliary plus subject plus main verb. The format must be like that. So the correct answer will be no sooner. If we divide the word enter, it will be did plus v1, that is enter. So we can use did over here. No sooner did the class teacher enter than everyone stood up to greet him will be the right answer. I'm repeating once again. No sooner did the teacher enter when everyone stood up to greet him. This is the right answer. So I'll show you the rule. To remember, no sooner the correlative word must be than. We must avoid double negatives if it is, and the structure must be no sooner plus auxiliary plus subject plus main verb. This is the formula. This is the question. So I hope you understand each and everything. If you do have any trouble, just you give me a call on 993837 4001. All right. Thank you very much.